And what we like about this is it works with almost any kind of fish, almost any kind of ingredients that you have around. You can just put things together, real simple, but it looks amazing, and it looks like you were working really, really hard. Hi, I'm Thom Curry from Temecula Olive Oil Company with my youngest daughter, Carly, and we're going to be preparing this wonderful fish dish today for you. We're going to poach it in olive oil and teach you how to do it. Super simple. And what we like about this is it works with almost any kind of fish, almost any kind of ingredients that you have around. You can just put things together, real simple, but it looks amazing, and it looks like you were working really, really hard. And what makes it really, really nice is we use our blood orange olive oil to poach the fish in. And this way we can put the fish in the oven. We're going to use a nice wood-fired oven today. And you can kind of forget it and have a glass of wine or a beer with friends, talk, take your time, and the fish is going to cook. Because it's being poached in the olive oil, it's really not going to overcook. It's going to stay nice and tender and stay delicious as we talk and enjoy our friends and family. And we can come back to it and then prepare the dish real simply and real easily. To start with, we're going to bring out the star of the show. Well, the second star. And we look for whatever's fresh, whatever's seasonal, whatever's local. Right now we've got this beautiful red snapper from the Sea of Cortez. To start with, you want to gut it and scale it to get it ready. But what makes this really delicious is we want to stuff it with a lot of the aromatics. So we start with some fresh herbs that we've gathered from the gardens here at Smart's Farm. And we're also going to put in some herb mixes and some fresh fennel. The fennel is always nice to bring out the flavors. Just don't worry about cutting it up in any kind of size or shape. Just get it together and put it in there. The key is getting some good aromatics in. We're going to put in some peppercorn, some salt. We've got some herbs de Provence here we're going to put in. Put a little on. A little garlic. Do we have any?
Lots of garlic.
Lots of garlic. You like garlic, right?
Absolutely.
Nice. So it's nice and stuffed with all this good, fresh ingredients, and that's going to put the flavor in through the meat. Now, we're going to also add some other flavors to this. We've got some cured olives. This also helps with the saltiness as well. And some crushed peppercorns. Now, really what makes this dish pop is all the other ingredients that you can throw in. And we just throw them in whole. We'll put in tomatoes, we'll put in potatoes, take some garlic and just chop just toss it right in there. Hopefully your garden has all these nice ingredients as well. They're all fairly easy to grow. And especially at this time of year, this is a wonderful time to be picking them. So just once again, the onions you can put right in. You can peel them if you want. And then what we want to do is we want to add the most important ingredient, right? Since we make it. But the olive oil really helps. This is our blood orange olive oil. And so when we're crushing the olives, we throw in the oranges and crush them right together so we get this really delicious flavor. You want to put some of that in there?
Absolutely.
And I'll grab you some more. This is one of Carly's favorites, isn't it? Mm-hmm. And that orange flavor is going to just meld, and what the olive oil is doing is it's becoming a medium for all these different flavors to come together and just make this symphony. It's kind of the director, as it were. It's bringing all the flavors together, the fish, the aromatics, the tomatoes, the onions, and it's going to be just incredible.
This looks amazing.
Yeah. The other thing that's nice about the olive oil and poaching in the olive oil is how it's just going to keep the fish so tender, and it's almost impossible to overcook. It's going to be super easy, and it gives you time to relax with friends as you put it in the oven. So now we've got all these wonderful ingredients in there. It's time to put it in the oven. So we're just going to take this beautiful pan. It goes straight in. Got nice heat going. So we'll grab one of the potatoes just to make sure they're done. Look at that, just that blood orange olive oil dripping right off.
That looks delicious.
It smells great. Yep, I think we've got a winner here.
I'm gonna have to taste it to find out.
It's gonna be a little hot, probably.
It's still good.
Yep.
Delicious.
Think we're ready to go?
I think we are.
What do you think? Let's do it. Look at that.
That looks amazing.
Doesn't it? Smells so good. So you can see all the aromatics. The tomatoes are sizzling, just ready to burst with flavor. We'll get a little bowl ready. Look at that.
Wow.
Just, Then you want to get some of the olive oil. Drizzle it right over.
My mouth is watering.
It smells great, doesn't it? We can serve all that on the side. People can grab what they want. Get some potatoes.
Just for decoration purposes.
Right around. Oh yeah, of course. That. Make sure to get those olives and caper berries in there. Now the olive oil, because you've cooked with it, and there's so many antioxidants in it, it's still usable again. So what we would do is we'd strain everything out, put it into an airtight, probably a stainless steel container, and we could use it again. It's going to have all these aromatic flavors and everything, but it could be really good for another dish, maybe if you're cooking eggs or something like that. So this is it. It's a very, very simple presentation. We'll bring it to the table. You can cut the piece off, grab your potatoes, and enjoy. A baguette? With a baguette? Should we try it?
Sounds good.
So you can dip in there if you want, but this is where the good stuff is, so I'm gonna try that. Get that nice blood orange flavor, all those aromatics, the fish. Oh, fantastic. We got to get some people together and a little bit of wine as well, right? That is so tender, so flavorful.
With all the spices and flavors all around it too.
That is a fresh fish. That is just the way it's supposed to be. Well, thanks for helping.
Of course. I'm going to turn down making food.
It's always a pleasure working with you. Thank you.